Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to undo changes in the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. If you accidentally delete text, make a mistake while editing, or want to reverse a recent action, Microsoft Word makes it easy to restore your previous changes in just a few taps. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app and open the document you're currently working on. Once your document is open, look for the undo icon on the screen. It usually appears as a curved arrow pointing to the left near the top of the app interface. Simply tap the undo button once to reverse your most recent action. If you need to go back even further, continue tapping the undo button to remove additional changes one step at a time. This feature works for many actions including typing text, deleting content, formatting changes, moving objects, and other edits made inside the document. If you accidentally undo too much, don't worry because you can use the redo button, which is usually represented by a curved arrow pointing to the right to restore the changes removed. Using undo and redo can save a lot of time and help prevent mistakes while editing important documents on your phone. And that's it. That's how you can undo changes in Microsoft Word Mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.